Hey everyone! Are you ready to revolutionize your kitchen? Forget everything you thought you knew about air frying, because this is the COSORI TurboBlaze 6-quart air fryer, and it's here to do so much more. This isn't just an air fryer, it's a multifunctional powerhouse. With its sleek design and the included recipe book, you're about to unlock a world of culinary possibilities. It features powerful turbo modes for quick, even results at the tap of a button. Imagine cooking dinner in less than 15 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. This machine is all about speed and efficiency. And with its large 6-quart capacity, you can cook enough for the whole family in one go, up to 20 chicken wings or a 6-pound pizza. The real magic? It goes beyond air frying with 5 different fan speeds and versatile functions. Think food dehydrator, bread maker, toaster oven, microwave, and even an indoor grill. One appliance, endless culinary adventures. Say goodbye to burnt-out sides and raw insides. The TurboBlaze boosts precise temperature control for perfectly even texture every single time. Plus, it's designed with you in mind, featuring a user-friendly, angled control panel for easy viewing and operation. Safety is key, with a secure basket lock on the handle. The large, scratch-resistant display makes control effortless. And here's a pleasant surprise, it operates with whisper-quiet fan speeds, less than 53 decibels. Enjoy your kitchen time without loud distractions. Whether you're air frying crispy wings, dehydrating fruit, or baking a perfect pizza, the COSORI TurboBlaze makes healthy and delicious cooking incredibly easy and enjoyable. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? This COSORI TurboBlaze air fryer is available on Amazon. Check the link in the description to get yours today. You won't regret going beyond air frying. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more gadget reviews, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.